Welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Power BI Essentials. My name is Kathy Snizaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. Power BI is a powerful tool for analyzing and reporting data. I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for anyone who is new to Power BI and wants to learn the basics of creating reports. We'll start by differentiating between Power BI Desktop and Power BI Web Service capabilities and navigating the Power BI Desktop environment. Then, we'll modify table elements and column properties and define and create hierarchies. Next, we'll define cardinality, create and manage relationships, modify properties of fields, and organize fields in display folders. From there, we'll add visualizations to a report page, format the visualizations, and format the report page. Then we'll apply basic and advanced filtering on visualizations and pages, and use a slicer to filter visualizations. In our last lesson, we'll edit interactions between visualizations, drill through levels of a hierarchy, and publish a report to my workspace. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will know how to use Power BI for building reports to analyze your data. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in this course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.